Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is 3 shoplifters try walking out with over $1,000 from Walmart. Man, they risking it for $1,000? Okay, let's see.
On September 16, 2023, officers responded to Walmart regarding a shoplifting in progress.
Ladies, out of the car.
I wasn't with you, sir.
All right, everybody out of the car. For now, all right?
Excuse me, sir. I wasn't with him. I was already out.
Okay, we're going to get to the bottom of everything. All right. Five Alpha 11 to 5 Alpha 31 with GTA. Can I see some IDs?
Are you okay for now?
This is your receipt. Let me see your ID. Alright. There's a third lady with you in the store. Was she in the back seat? Okay. Which one? Her?
I wasn't in the store with him.
Okay. Her in the back? 'Cause I got reports of 2 ladies in orange shirts.
What?
Ma'am, step out for me. Everybody just step out for now, alright? You can stay right here. I'm gonna have all you come around.
Do I got to get out since I wasn't in there?
Just let me just get everybody's ID for now, alright?
She needs to pull that receipt from that machine. I know.
5 Alpha 11 Central, copy of Florida type.
Good. No, they're checking IDs. You
Alpha
gonna stop saying
Juliet
that
5
shit.
6 Delta Sierra.
No, ma'am. You're not finna know. They need to pull. They just need to separate everything. And everything needs to have the receipt.
Ma'am, just come on this side for me. Alright. Just waiting for my coworker to get here, alright? And then we're gonna get to the bottom of everything. Guess I'll be there.
27, are you on top 2?
11. What do we got?
They're still ringing the stuff up. We're separating all the stuff that they did purchase right now.
So do they all do separate transactions, or
No,
one person ring up everything?
One person was doing it all. Wait, was it one person doing it all, or were they all messing with it?
One of them was scanning and the other one was bagging stuff up for her. So they were just all there together.
So what is that doing?
Sorry?
What is that doing?
I guess he's gonna talk to him, see what's going on. I just got here, I don't know.
So the 2 in the orange and the 1 in the white and black dress.
Correct.
They were in the stores. Because I have a 4th woman that was.
She was in the car. She has
Nothing to do with this. Okay.
So far, they're at 693
693
so far.
so far.
They're not done.
There's 2 carts.
You guys still have a lot more, or no? Yeah, you said there's a shit ton more out there. You guys are at what? He said he's over 750 already. He said they're at like 1200 right now.
1200.
Yeah.
So the answer is yes.
You don't wanna chill in the AC?
No, because I closed my door to my baby in the car.
Oh,
She
okay.
got there swing, so.
But the AC is on?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay. Their sisters?
That's my best friend. That's her mom and that's her home.
Okay.
What's up, brother? Hi. So explain to me, who's who?
A mother-daughter crime. She said that's my best friend, and then that's her mom. And like, what? You gonna go do a crime with your mom, or your mom put you up to it? Family affair type business? That's crazy.
All right. They kind of filled me in a little bit.
Guys, I need to look at him.
Yeah, no, that's what we're over here.
So that lady in that brown dress, she was the one at the self-checkout actively scanning stuff, but missing 2 with like stack scanning and all that.
Okay.
The lady with the tattoos on her chest right here.
This one in a white dress, or the other one?
There's one sitting in the car.
There's the one
That one
sitting.
has a brown dress.
Yeah, the one sitting in the back seat right now.
Mhm.
She just started bagging just random like items in the car without even passing it.
Okay.
And it was the same deal with the lady in the striped dress. She was the one who was also doing the same thing.
How much total we got? And I'm gonna call my boss. And...
Fully charged.
Okay.
Print 2 hours.
Yeah, I needed 2.
Yeah.
That's really bad.
She doesn't want to send this, but there's a man.
I gotta put all of that.
Multiple items.
I might just.
Multiple items total. That amount.
We're at $1,279. Hold on. Wait, let me write that down. Okay. All right, I will be back. You guys do want to press, and you want to pursue charges? Oh yeah. Just pass. I gotta ask you because you're the one handling it right now, so. Yeah.
Over 1,000. Felony.
Okay. What was your name again, ma'am?
Yes.
Destiny. Okay.
I can go because I wasn't in the store with them.
Ma'am, I need you to step out of the car for me. Come over here. I need to speak to all 3 of you.
Forgot whatever.
Okay. Speak to all 3 of you. Hold on to this real quick. Okay. All right. So, what's going to happen right now? Y'all go in jail. All 3 of you. Okay? So, we'll start off.
Don't act surprised.
All 3 of you. All right?
My stuff, but
I need the school shit. Hold on.
So, what I'll
I need my purse.
So if you have a big purse, it's going to get inventory. You can only take small items down to the county jail. So I need you to turn around for me.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back, man. You got to get off the phone, please.
I'm trying to call somebody so I can get it right.
hey, I need another one.
Definitely call something and call. My password is 3. Hold on. Here.
These some big girls.
Sorry, it's going to be a little tight for a minute, all right? Once I get you all settled in, if I get another set of handcuffs.
If I'm able to bail myself out, can I get my car?
Well, she's got a valid license.
My license is not suspended.
No, not yours.
No, okay.
No.
What's your
Take your car.
386. No, not there.
Ma'am, I need you to come over here, please.
So can I follow y'all to come by her out or
No, so here's the process. I'll explain everything. So if you want, just place your stuff right here. I'm going to get bags for everybody, okay?
follow y'all?
Well, no, she can't follow us. I'm going to explain the process, all right?
Can I go frontwards?
So-
you want me to go?
I got you.
I'm 35 now.
Who she thinks she is? You could go backwards just like everybody else.
PD and then call for a deputy.
Just give me my purse. Get my purse and stuff. Could you not make them tight, please? I ain't never.
I'm not. Oh, we're going to do this to wear.
That's fine. I can't sit.
I'm going to lock them so they don't get tighter. If you have a medical condition, I'm not going to say no, okay?
I appreciate it. I just want to do something.
A medical issue.
I got this. You want me to take all this? Give me my phone. This and those? You want me to get your stuff too or no?
I need my stuff with me because that's my car keys, my house keys and stuff.
That stuff can go down with you, all right?
So I have to.
I know, it's not that. I'm going to crank the AC up, all right? I just need you to sit all the way in.
Oh, you want it? I got to take the window.
We gotta take it. You're not holding that.
I'm going to roll the window down, all right? And I'm going to crank my AC up.
You're not gonna hold
all
that.
Yeah, you can't hold it.
We can take it, but you're not gonna hold it. You don't want to take your purse at all.
No, I got money.
Why did I do anything?
All right, ma'am, you're going to come over here.
Yeah.
So just so you know, anything that comes out of missing out of your purse, we're not responsible for it. So as you know,
Yeah. I got to go by it because I don't have it's on my phone.
All right, ladies, what's going to happen also, they want your trespass, too. You can't come back to this Walmart. Man, I'm going to find out about you.
I can walk in with you if you want me to.
Yeah, I'm going to have you stay out here. Just hang out until we move out of here. All right, come over here, ma'am.
Yeah.
for the 27A, you can do all that at the PD.
Yeah, I'll bring it back to them. I had to go get other stuff, though.
Am I going to be able to have my phone? I don't know any numbers.
They'll let you take out numbers down at the county jail.
This is wild. All right.
All right, take a seat, ma'am.
Oh.
Can y'all loosen my dress real quick?
I'm sorry?
Can y'all loosen this part? Just pretty much. I only did it because I was hot. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll be right now.
So as of right now, all three of them are gonna go to the police department. He has to do paperwork. It's gonna take a while. It's 3 arrests.
Can I get the address so where I can pick them up from, or?
You gotta pick them up at the branch jail.
This is tight.
That's gonna be the Volusia County branch jail.
Oh, where the regular jail is at? Where you pick the inmates up?
That is the regular, yeah, that's the jail.
Which one?
1300 Red John.
This one?
Yeah.
Put your bracelet, that's right.
I said, your jewelry can go down when you have an inventory, all that on your problem.
Come back in what, like 2 or 3 hours?
It's going to be a little, so I have to process 3 people. So it's going to be a little longer than that, all right? They'll be able to call you when they get down there once they get into the intake.
Yeah. One the other way?
It does.
We can't put it in the phone.
She said she had a medical condition, that's why it's tough to see phone, all right?
I put double handcuffs so they can be comfortable.
Okay.
Bro, what's going on here, bro? Like, come on, bro. Y'all cops is bugging, bro. Y'all gotta take some order. I feel like they're running the show. The civilians is actually running the show right now. Like, oh, could you put me in the front? Da da da. Oh, I'm holding my phone. Like, come on, bro. Like, I don't know if y'all are rookies or something, bro, but like, yo, cuff them up. Done. Why is this taking so long, bro? Like, come on.
No problem.
All right, right there's good?
Yeah. Thank you.
Here's my key fob, I'll be right back.
What else we gotta get?
I just had to get the paperwork.
All right, you're gonna come in my car because all three of
Can I
us.
get back in the car?
Yeah, you can sit in the car. You can come this way, man. This way. I'll open up that so the AC can hit you.
Huh?
I said I'm gonna open up that window so the AC can hit you.
That's a big girl.
All right, ma'am. So I know you weren't in the store, but if you want, you trespassed also.
Okay,
All right?
that's fine.
So trespass, I don't know if you explained trespass to you,
I know what it is, I just can't come back.
for a year.
Yeah.
All right?
Hey, get the tally. Are you charging all of them with brain theft?
Yep.
Each, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
All right. It's a felony. So yeah, I'll figure it out. I'll let them know when we get there. All right.
0224. Okay.
All right. So I gotta take them up front. All right.
Okay.
Yep.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.